Lots of stupa here. Stupa is a religious Buddhist religious item which contain the precious relics of the Buddha. So whoever see this will be blessed. It's really amazing, guys. Greetings from Singapore. I'm now at the famous temple, Buddha Relic Temple in Chinatown. So let's check it out. This is the surroundings. Opposite is the Maxwell Market. Buddha Relic Temple has the most beautiful architecture I've seen in Singapore so far. And by the way, there are shorts or sarong for the people with the shorts. That the security say that you cannot, must wear the shawl, then you can go in the temple. You can offer this to the Buddha. For example, the rice is like $10, which the English and Chinese word has also the price all stated. Even the flowers, $10. The lamb, $20. And even the incense. There's a machine. It's a new thing to me. I mean, last time I didn't see it. You can actually select the items you want to offer. For example, flower. 38, right? And then you check out. I think you can pay by Visa card or next year. You can pay by next credit card or cash. And this is a machine. Free incense, one incense. And then you can offer the incense burner there. And by the way, there's a Dragon King here. I'm waiting for a lift to go to the upper levels. There's some kind of nice dragon symbol on it. The lift doors. The rooftop garden now, there's a big spinning wheel. They call it the prayer wheel or the money wheel. Inside there are a lot of Buddhist scriptures. It's believed that by turning or going around one time is the same as chanting the whole scriptures inside the wheel. So it's a convenient way to practice. And now level 3 Buddha, the World Museum. In level 4 they have the Buddha too, but they don't allow the photo inside. So now check out. There are lots of Buddha here. And look at this, is the footprint of the Buddha. The sleeping Buddha, guys. The lying Buddha. Right here is 8 Buddhas. I'm at level 2 now. There's more exhibition here. Wow, level 2 there are more statues. This is a Guanyin, right? And look at it. By the way, the temple closes at 5 PM, so come early. And if you enjoyed the video so far, please subscribe and also give a like so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. This is the floor plan of the Buddha Relic Temple when it was like being built at that time. Yeah, I think that's the place we put the urns. I mean the, oh no, I'm sorry. Let me just check. Anyway. Wow, look at this. Oh, a dragon, and on top is all the Buddhas. Laughing Buddha. And there's some kind of rear wheel right here, and the horns. This is a mezzanine floor. Oh, there's a Wenchang God here. So you can see the very real life-like expressions. It's a nice experience coming here. These are is something special.地藏菩萨 with so many babies. If you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and give a like so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. Drove by the vegetarian restaurant, Basement 1, open from 7 to 5 p.m. but last order is 4:30. Once you exit, you are greeted by so many colorful shophouses and even the coffee shops here. Hope you guys enjoy the simple tour of this Buddha tour temple right here in Chinatown. Please remember to subscribe if you enjoy this video and give a like so more people can find the video. Take care everyone. I'll see you guys in my next video. And before that, I'm going to explore the China complex, so check out my channel as well. There's a nice hawker center level 2. Let's go. And alright, take care guys. Bye.